Imagine an explosion so powerful, it turned night into day. In 1908, something detonated over Siberia with the force of a nuclear bomb. Over 80 million trees were blown down like matchsticks. But when scientists arrived, they found something impossible. There was no crater and no impact site. Witnesses said the sky split open and the blast knocked people off their feet hundreds of miles away. Some say it was a meteor, others believe it was a comet, and some think it wasn't natural at all. Because whatever exploded vanished without leaving a trace. So what really exploded over Tunguska? And could it happen again?